Well, the train departed and I found myself lying on the ground, so in between the railway tracks and the platform, and there's a slight curve, and I just rolled myself into that curve. And I remember trying to get up, but my right side didn't move. And at that point, I remember looking at my arm and thinking, that arm's gone. I called out, "Somebody help me, my name is Sarah and I don't want to die." And I shouted that over and over and over again, and it felt like a really long time, until somebody heard it and bent down and held my hand. My husband and I climbed Kilimanjaro. It was a dream 10 years in the making. It was an incredible adventure. Yeah, I felt on top of the world. And then just a month later, I hit rock bottom. But there were things, I believe, that I learned while I was climbing Kilimanjaro that helped me survive that tragic event. And it was the staying calm in a very, very stressful event that helped me. That night, I was told that I could have died at least 10 times, right? It was quite an accident to have happened, but once you survive that, I was absolutely excited to be alive. The joy is there, and so if you think about, like, my family could have spent Christmas without me, and the fact that I'm alive and that I'm here is just incredible. Everything has got an extra sparkle to it. I completely discovered this world of prosthetics. I didn't know much about it before, but it is absolutely incredible how far the innovation has come. Actually, today I met with the CEO of Covvi, who make the Bionic hands, and he showcased that, and it's absolutely incredible.